The equation for a line that goes to the points negative 2, 6, and 4, 9. First thing we have to remember is we're going to put in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. The m is the slope, the b is the y-intercept. In this case, we don't have the slope or the y-intercept, so we need to start by finding one or the other. The easiest one to find is going to be the slope. So let's do that. In that case, we're going to use the slope formula, which is, m, there we go. M equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So basically just to make sure that the ordered pairs are lined up in a column. Doesn't matter which one you call the first one and which one you call the second one, as long as the y's are above the x's in both of them. So let's go ahead and do that now. So we have m equals, I'm going to say 9 over 4. That's this point right here has been taken care of. Now we're always going to subtract, so it's minus, minus. On the top, I'm going to put 6. On the bottom, I'm going to put in parentheses negative 2. Now when I simplify that, I'll get 3 over 6. Remember, when you're subtracting a negative, it's the same as adding. I'm going to go ahead and simplify that fraction to 1/2. Okay, now I have my slope, so I know that my m equals 1/2. So I'm just going to write that down as a reminder. M equals 1/2. Now I can use either one of these points. It doesn't matter if it's negative 2, 6 or 4, 9 to find my y-intercept. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick 4, 9. The reason I'm picking that point is there's no negative values. It's a little bit easier. So I'm going to plug in 4 for my x value. I'm going to plug in 9 for my y. So it's going to look like this. Let me switch to colors real quick. Why not blue? Perfect. All right, so I'm going to plug in, using this right here, y equals mx plus b, I'm going to put in 9 for y equals, I'm going to put my 1/2 in for x, for the slope. I'm going to multiply that 1/2 in by 4, which is my x coordinate. We know that because it's on the line. And we're trying to find b, or the y-intercept. So now, to simplify, 9 equals 2 plus b. Subtract 2 from both sides. 7 equals b, or b equals 7. I'm going to go ahead and write that over here. B equals 7. Now, since I have my slope and I have my y-intercept, I'm just going to put it all together. So our final answer, I'm going to write here in purple, is y equals 1/2 x plus 7. There it is. There you go. That was helpful.